Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. Please subscribe my channel. It is class math for beginners. It is a part of my arithmetic class 4. In this class we will explain multiplication and also we will solve some question about multiplication. The shortest method for adding same numbers is called multiplication. Example, 2 plus 2 plus 2, it is equal to 2, 3 times added. So 3 times 2, it is equal to 6. Also we can write like this, 3 into 2. We read as both these two sign or multiplication sign. We can read as 3 times 2, or we can read as 3 multiplied by 2. Both of them same. The result, the product is 6. Example, multiply the following numbers. Number 1, 39 times 8. Number 2, 56 times 9. Number 3, 46 times 27. First we want to multiply these numbers. Here first we multiply 8 by 9, then 8 by 3. 8 times 9, 8 into 9, 27, 72. We write 2 and carry over the 7. Now we want to multiply 8 by 3. 8 into 3, 8 times 3, it is 24. 24 plus 7, add with 7, 31. 312. It is the product of these two numbers. 9 times 6, 54. We write 4 and carry over 5 over the 5. 9 times 5, 45. 45 plus 5, 50. 504. Here we want to multiply 27 by 46. First we multiply 7 by 46, then we multiply 2 by 46. 7 times 6, it is equal to 42. We write 2, carry over 4. 7 by 4, 28. 28 plus 4, 32. Next we multiply 2 by 46. First 2 multiplied by 6, 12. We write here 2 and carry over 1. 2 into 4, 8 plus 1, 9. We add these numbers. Here we don't have number, we can write 0. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 9, 12. We want to solve this question, number 4. 2 into 5, 10. We write 0 and carry over 1. 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15, we write 5, carry over 1. Okay, it finished to multiply by final number, so we can write 15. Now we want to write multiply 5 by 75. 5 into 5, 25. 25, we write 5 here. Carry over 2. 5 into 7, 35. 35 plus 2, 37. We add these numbers. 0, we have 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 0. 10, we have 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 3, 3,900. 3 into 9, 27. 27, we write 7 and carry over the 2. 3 into 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20, we write 0 and carry over the 2. 3 by 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 4 into 9, 4 into 9, 36. We write 6 and carry over the 3. 4 into 6, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. We write 2 over the numbers. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. We add this number. 7, 6, 8, 5, 1. Also the final number, 8 by 8 times 9, 72. We write 2, carry over the 7. 8 by 5, 40. 40 plus 7, 47. We write 7 and carry over the 4. 8 into 7, 56. 56 plus 4, 60. Now we want to multiply 3 by 759. 3 by 9, 27. We carry over the 2. 3 by 5, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. We write 7 and carry over the 1. 3 by 7, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. Now we multiply 4. 4 into 9, 36. We write 6 and carry over 3. 4 into 5, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. We write 3 and carry over 2. 4 into 7, 4 times 7, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. 0, 0, 0, 2, 7 plus 7, 14. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. We have 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 3. It is the result of the product of these two numbers. Here we will write some question. You should multiply them. It is your homework. Number 1, 68 times 9. Number 2, 78 times 12. Number 3, 598 times 120. Number 4, 1203 multiplied by 179. Number 5, 809 8 7 multiply by 5 2 1 7 1, and the final one number 6 9 8 7 multiply by 7 5 6 multiply by 1 2 8 9. You should solve this question. Please subscribe my channel.